ಪ್ರಿಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಥಾಗತ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು KPSC ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆದ PWD JE ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 GS ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ದ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಬಾಡಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ V and what is the escape velocity for a planet whose mass and radius are as twice as that of the earth? Here the correct answer is option A, because it is independent of mass and it will be only dependent on the L. So answer is option A. Next, second question, where is the Indian Institute of Agriculture Research Institute located? Correct answer option A, Delhi. Question number 3, a stretched rubber has correct answer increased potential energy. Option B is the right answer. Fourth question, who appointed Karnataka in the salt who represented Karnataka in salt satyagraha from Sabarmati to Dandi? Correct answer is option A, Mailar Mahadevappa. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಐದನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಸಿಟಿ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಂಚೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ? ಮುಂಬೈ. ಓಕೆ, earlier it is Mumbai, but now at present Manchester of India is Ahmedabad. So here answer will be Mumbai. Manchester of Karnataka is Davangere. Sixth question, their aptitude question. Three numbers are in the ratio of 4:5:6 and their average is 25. The largest number is option D, 30. Seventh question, nor'westers means? Option A, an isolated rainfall and thunderstorm. Varuna Mitra is hosted by KSNDMC, Karnataka State Natural Disaster Management Center. Option 2, KSNDMC is the right answer. Ninth question, which of the following type of the soil are mostly confined to river basin and coastal plain of India? For ninth question, correct answer is alluvial soil. Here 10th question is a wrong question. You should get a grace. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆಫ್ BSF ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 11ನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಅಮಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹನಿಬೀಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಹನಿಬೀಸ್ ಆರ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಸ್ಟೆರೈಲ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 12ನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಹೂ ಅಮಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ದಿವಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರ್? ಸಿ, ರಂಗಾಚಾರ್ಯ. ಇವರು ಕೇವಲ 2 ವರ್ಷ ದಿವಾನಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, 1881 1883ವರೆಗೆ. 13ನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ದ ಅಜಂತ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮರಾವತಿ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾತವಾಹನರು? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1, ಶಾತವಾಹನಸ್. ಗ್ರೇಷಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ explains bad money drives out good. Option A is the right answer. 15th question, in central government expenditure, interest payments are part of which of the following expenditure? Option D, revenue expenditure of the central government. 16th question, the parliament is not entitled to amend the basic structure of the constitution. This was the judgment by Supreme Court in very simple and basic question, Keshavananda Bharati case. In India, retreating monsoon winds start from mid-September. Option 3. Which state is the largest producer of wind energy in India? Tamil Nadu. Study of relationship between communities and environment is called as synecology. Option D. Which state wants the three capital for their state? Andhra Pradesh. Nokrek is located in Meghalaya, you all know, but they are asked in which hill? In which hill? Option A, Garo Hills. 22nd, who was the president of 85th Akhila Bharata Kannada Sahitya Sammelana held in Kalaburgi? H.S. Venkatesha Murthy. According to Census 2011, which of the following district is having a lowest percentage of poverty in Karnataka? Option B, Bengaluru Urban. This is the SDA 2021 repeated question. What is the name of King Ceylon to whom Samudragupta granted a permission to build a monastic in the Bodh Gaya? Option A, Meghavarman. Which country was officially banned from competing at Tokyo Olympic 2020? Russia. A simple pendulum consists of a sphere filled with a mercury. If a small quantity of mercury is taken out, then the time period of pendulum will remain unchanged. Time period is independent of mass, so it will be remaining unchanged. Option 3 is the right answer. 27th question. On November 17, 2020, 12th BRICS Summit or 2020 BRICS Summit held in Russia. 2021 is in India, hosted by India. So here 2020 means Russia. 28th question. It is the duty of state to protect every historical monument under the article. 28th question. Option A is the right answer under Article 49. Highest livestock population found in India in which state? Uttar Pradesh. Legislative Council can delay a money bill for a period of 14 days. In which roundtable conference Mahatma Gandhi participated? Second roundtable conference held in 1931. Option 2. Main duty of Talayari or Talavara in Vijayanagara period is village watchman and corps. Option B. Apart from India, in which of the following two countries Tamil is an official language of the state? Option 2, Sri Lanka and Singapore. Next, 34th question, again aptitude question. Here correct answer is option D, 39 years. 34th option D, 39 years. Next, 35th question. Election Commission of India is a constitutional body. Japti system is related to, it is also known as Bandobasti system. It is a revenue of Todarmal. 37th question. Important waterfall in Bedti Gangavalli river is Magod. 37th option D is the right answer. 38th question. In which Veda the Gayatri mantra is found ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಋಗ್ವೇದ. ಇಂದ್ರಧನುಷ 7-point action program launched by Government of India is related to which sector? Banking sector. The meaning of Kuduvalai. It is a electoral system in which members are elected through lucky draw. So option 4 is the right answer. It is followed during the Chola Empire. First question, aptitude question. Right answer here is option D, 60. Soft tourism means 42. Correct answer is sustainable tourism. Next question. The Sthala Dayam indicates, Staladayam indicates custom on goods imported to be sold at one place. Option 2 is the right answer. Sorry, here Staladayam is a duties on exported on foreign countries. Option 4 is the right answer. Which state government has announced to sponsor the Indian hockey team in the next 10 years? Odisha. Here one correction. Stalavadam, as I told earlier, option 2 is the right answer. Customs on goods imported to be sold at one place. 43, option B is the right answer. 45, which trees do not belong to tropical deciduous forest? Pine. Pine is a evergreen forest. 46th question, which country is to offer e-visa facility to Indian tourist? South Africa. Option D is the right answer. Next, 47 question, devaluation of currency has general beneficial impact on the which of the following? If your currency devaluation happens, then export will be more. So option 3, export earnings. Which 48th question, who is empowered to admit the new state to the Union of India? Parliament. 49th question, Parliament can amend a constitution with dash majority. It is a 2/3 majority. Who is the transgender elected as a Gram Panchayat head in Karnataka? Devika in the Mysore district. Name the vegetable oil which do not contain essential fatty acids. Option 3, sunflower. Make in India was introduced in 2015 to encourage heavy investment in sector of manufacturing. Option D is the right answer. 53, Gagan Mahal is an architecture glory ascribed to Adil Shahi. Who introduced the Factories Act during British period? Lord Ripon. The International Yoga Day celebrated on 21st June. 56th aptitude question. 56th right answer will be option D, 3 hours. Special drawing rights of IMF are also called as paper gold. 58th question, which type of bank loan allows the borrower to withdraw money from time to time up to certain limit fixed by the bank? 58th correct answer here is cash credit. 59, 218% of 1674 is equal to question mark into 1800. Here answer it will be 2.0 something, so option should be nearly 2, but here no option is given, so none of these is the right answer. Which is the longest river of South India? Godavari. Very simple question. Which among the following is a correct increasing order of installed capacity of renewable energy sources? Option C, wind, solar, then hydroelectric. 61, option 3 is the right answer. Next, 62nd, which among the following is the highest point in Karnataka? Option 4, none of the above, because highest point in Karnataka is Mullanagiri. 63rd, which is the deepest and landlocked port in India? Visakhapatnam. In case of humans, the taste buds are present on pharynx, palate, tongue, all the above. All the above is the right answer. What is the full form of CAA? Very basic question. Full form of CAA is Citizenship Amendment Act, option D. 66 question. Who was the leader of Red Shades in India? Khudai Khidmatgari Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Option 1 is the right answer. 67th question. Who appoints the Finance Commission of India? Finance Commission ಯಾರು ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? President of India. Option 3. The loan lended by the government of India during emergency or distress like famines, floods, etc. with less rate of interest is called as Takkavi loans. Next, 69. If A plus B is equal to 32, B plus C is 36, C plus A is 38, then what is the A plus B plus C? Here, correct answer is option 3, 53. You simply add all these numbers 32, 36, 38 and then divide by 2, you will get 53. Shifting cultivation practiced in northeastern parts of India is called as Jhum cultivation, option 3. 71st question. Which of the following is used to make the lightweight but strong plastic? Polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Which of the following item of expenditure is not part of planned expenditure? Means they asked which is the non-planned expenditure. So here subsidies is a non-planned expenditure. Option 3 is the right answer. 73rd question. Eco-friendly activity. Which of the following is an eco-friendly activity? Sericulture. Which of the following district has a large number of tanks in India? Tanks in Karnataka. 74th right answer is Kolar, option D. National income estimate in India is prepared by CSO, Central Statistical Organization. Quit India movement was launched on, simple question, 9th August 1942. How many languages can be found on the rupees 2000 currency note? 17. Recently again they added one Braille lipi. 17 is the right answer. Finance Commission is appointed by the President under Article 280. Article 280 deals with Finance Commission. So Finance Commission, they ask two questions. One article and another one is who appoints the chairman of Finance Commission. 79th question. A man buys the article aptitude question 27.50 and sells at a rate of 28.6 rupees. What is the gain percentage? 79, option C, 4% is the profit. What is the digital currency? Bitcoin. Which is the digital currency? In the following given options, Bitcoin is the digital currency. Fundamental rights are called as justiciable rights, option 1. Who was the governor of India during the 4th Anglo-Mysore War? Lord Wellesley. Option 4 is the right answer. Next, they asked A is to C ratio and proportion question. So 79th, option C, 15:8 is the right answer. Who established Diwan-e-Kohi developed agriculture in the medieval India? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Option 1 is the right answer. 85th question. Which port is known as the Queen of Arabian Sea? Very simple GK question. Kochi port. Which of the following component is not belong to DNA? Uracil is not belong to DNA. Which of the following has the most penetrating power? gamma ray. Maritime India Summit 2021 held on March 2 to 4, 2021. March 2021. Which of the following monument is the best example of Indo-Islamic style of architecture? Kamal Mahal. Option 4. On which article Union budget is presented periodically? Article 112. 91 question aptitude. Correct answer here is, if you solve you will get 5120. It is in the GP series. A certain number of against 92nd. Correct answer is 92. Here we will tell only key answer. If you want a solution for these aptitude question, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಗಣಿತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ, ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. 92nd ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇಂದಿರಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಿಕೋಬಾರ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3. 94th question. India's first radio station was established in 1935 at Mysuru. M. Gopalaswamy. ITES refers to Information Technology Enabled Services. Option 3. 96th question. Collective responsibility is one of the important feature of parliamentary system. 97th question. In 2021 budget announced that senior citizen of which above age will get a relaxation from filing a tax return. Option 1, 75 years. 98. Under whom leadership the interim government was formed? Jawaharlal Nehru. Panchayat Raj institution achieved a constitutional status to 73rd Amendment Act. Option 3. Last question. The lead bank is related to scheduled commercial bank. Option 4 is the right answer. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ PWD JE ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೆದ GS ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಈಗ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾಳೆ AE ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಆ GS ಪೇಪರ್ದ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೆಳೆಯರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.